Hey guys, this is Jennifer Mendez here, and in this video I am going to show you how to create a landing page inside of Clickfunnels. So I'm going to screen share really quick and we're going to move on to Clickfunnels. Alright, so this is the first page, the home screen from Clickfunnels account. So to create a landing page, you're going to click Add New. You can use the cookbook builder process or the classic funnel builder, and this is the one that I use. Is I guess the most simpler. This is the way that they started. The cookbook is kind of like new features. That's more for like the advanced person. So if you don't know how to build funnels or landing pages, I would suggest going with the classic funnel builder. And then you're going to choose the first option, which is collecting emails. So the goal of the landing page is pretty much to build your list, since we're talking about building your list inside of this module. So you're going to choose the option, you're going to name it something. So I'm going to call this test landing page, just to create one for you as a test page. And then you're going to click on build funnel. And see how simple, how quick and easy it is to create a landing page. So once you click build funnel, it's going to give you the options to choose from the templates. As you can see here for opt-in, email opt-in, so this is where the people are going to put their email. They have a few templates here you can choose, and you can actually preview them before you choose them as your template. So let's preview one real quick. I'll preview this one right here that has video. So if you preview it, this is what it looks like, and all you have to do is add your contact information. And you close the tab. And let's preview another one. So you can preview the pages and then figure out which one you want to do for your business. Okay. I'm going to pick a really simple, easy one. Once you're ready to choose, you're going to click select that template. And then it's going to build it for you, and it's created. Voila, your page, your opt-in page is created. So now you're going to click the edit page tab, and now this is where the fun begins. This is where you're going to edit your information. You're going to add your logo, the name of your brand, what you want it to say. It's super easy, drag, drop, easy to work with. That's why I love Clickfunnels. And in the beginning, I didn't know anything about Clickfunnels, but I learned very fast because it's so easy to use. So, for example, if you want to change the headline, all you have to do is double click it and start typing away. Okay. So, learn how to. Let's just want to create one with you as I'm going, so you can see how easy this is. I created a headline. You could edit it. Super simple. And make sure that every time that you make a change on your page, you click save, so that it can save. Whatever you created. So when you first click save, this always pops up, the SEO meta data. So this is what people are going to see when you send the link. So when you send the link to someone, there's always like a little picture or a headline. Usually inside the messenger, even on your text messages, this pops up as well if you share the link of your funnel with someone. So you want to create the title for it and the picture. I usually put our logo picture, whatever it is that we're talking about in that funnel. I usually put it in this area. So I'm gonna call this. Then you can enter description here. And your name. I usually put Jose and Jennifer. We work together, and then you're gonna change the picture of your logo. Right now we're using Digital Rebels. I like the little blue guy. So you see down here, this is what it's going to look like on if you're using SEO on Google, right? This is what it looks like. If you're sending a message on Facebook, this is what it would look like. It gives you a little preview. And if you're sending on text messages, it also shows, okay? So that always pops up the first time that you save a funnel. Save. And you can always change that. If you go to settings here, SEO, right here, bam, it's always there. So you can always change that if you want to change the name and the picture and the description of the funnel link. Okay, so bam, download free report. I want to keep that there. This is if you're giving something away for free. Where should we send the report? So if you want, let's just say I wanted to change the color of this button, right? I could go down here. You just click on it and it opens up the settings. So easy, so cool. You scroll down and change the button. Let's just say I want to make it yellow, for example. Bam, it's yellow, save. And while you're building, you can click preview over here and bam, you can see exactly what you're working on. And any changes that you make, it automatically changes right away. So you see that I changed the button to yellow and there it goes, yellow. And close that page and back to the editing mode. Usually in the bottom, it always has like your name or your brand. So you can change it to your business and your brand, or maybe your name. You're working for yourself. Save. You see this background color? You could change this background color as well. If you're just starting out, like the landing pages are already created there for you. So obviously these are pages that already have conversion rates. So I wouldn't mess around too much with changing backgrounds and changing the font size or anything like that. But if you do want to change it, here's where you change your background color. You could pick a color or a picture. I would suggest leaving the opt-in pages the way they are. The way that they created it is because it works. So, you know, don't try to reinvent the wheel. It's already working. All you have to do is really change the content that you're going to put in there. And then you're going to save. Voila. Once you have your Aweber and you have it connected to your Clickfunnels account, which there is a video showing that I'm showing how to connect your Aweber to your Clickfunnels account. Once you have that connected, you see when people are entering their email in here, in order for you to receive the email inside of your Aweber account, you're going to click settings and you're going to click integration. You see the little email sign? So right now it says not connected, right? Because this is a brand new funnel. So you're going to select the integration. And this is the email that I have selected with my Aweber. As you can see here, it says Aweber on the side. I'm going to pull it up again, Aweber on the side, so that means it's already connected. And then you're going to click the action, and it's integrate with existing form. Remember, I showed you guys how to create a form inside of Aweber. And then you're going to pick the list. So I have many lists here. So let's just put Digital Rebels for now, since I'm just creating a test Digital Rebels landing page. And now it says connected. So now every time somebody clicks on this funnel, they're going to put their email in there and I'm going to receive the email inside of my Aweber account. Super simple. Make sure you always click save and you can preview the page. And there you have it. That is the first page of your landing page. So once you create the opt-in page, that's the opt-in page of your landing page, you want to create a thank you page. So you're going to click on thank you right here. And the same thing goes as how we did with the opt-in page. Remember, you can preview any of the templates that they already have. Preview and see here what it looks like. We're just going to pick one right now just to show you a test. And the same thing goes with the opt-in page. It pops up just like this, and you're going to click edit page. And you can change the words around. So I can say, thank you for requesting information. Check your email. Right, you can delete things. Right, look at that, deleted the little words that it says there. You can add sub headlines. The sub headline I just deleted, but this is how easy it is to bring it back in there. And then you click on it, you can actually type away whatever it is that you want. Okay, so I can delete this. Download your report here. So you could have buttons where it's downloading something that you're giving them for free, or you could just not have a button and it just goes to the email. You can set up an email sequence where you're emailing them something, depending what it is that you are giving, you're providing in the opt-in page. This is basically what your thank you page is going to have. So depending on what you have there, if you're giving a free ebook, you could say check your email for the free ebook. If you're giving them a PDF file, you could have a downloadable button where they can download the PDF file, or you can send it through the email. So depending on what you're giving away, or if it's a webinar, for example, you can also say check your email for the webinar time. Or it depends what your opt-in page says. So according to that, that's how you're going to make your thank you page. But they have the templates, and all you have to do is edit the wording. On the bottom, your brand, they have it so simple that you just fill in the information. You always want to save. And this always pops up again for SEO purposes for every single page. And you want to keep it the same as your other pages for each funnel, okay? This information here. I'm going to pick a little logo, and if we scroll down, that's a little preview. That's how it will look on Google or on Messenger or on a text message. Save again. You want to click preview. Voila, you can see your page perfectly fine. So once you have that, you're going to go back to the home. Make sure you save, always save. And what is the link that you're going to share with people, right? After you created this funnel, this link right here. This is the link that you are going to share with people so that they can opt in. So you could give it to people in the messenger, you could give it to people on your blogs, you could give it to people inside of Facebook ads, if you're running Facebook ads. This is the link that you want to give other people. Now, if you have your own links, you can actually connect your domains. If you have your own domain links with GoDaddy, you can connect it to Clickfunnels account, and I will make a video on how to do that. Okay, so I'm excited that you want to learn how to create your first funnel. Get Inside Clickfunnels is an awesome tool. There is a button under here, under this video, where you get a 14-day free trial and start creating your landing pages. This is the basic stuff inside of Clickfunnels. This is how we started, and then later on we started to build real funnels and taking trainings and learning more and more about it. But the beginning stages is pretty much creating your landing pages so that you can start building your list and start creating your fan base of people that follow you and want to learn more about what it is that you have to offer. So we'll see you on the next video. Talk to you soon.